Make 30 to 80 cents for literally every 2 clicks. Stay tuned. Okay, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can make 30 cents, over 30 cents with just 2 clicks over and over again from anywhere in the world. So it's worldwide available, and I'm gonna show you the website that we're gonna be using, and on top of that I will give you free tools, so absolutely free tool that will do all of the work for you. Excuse the noise outside. They will do all of the work for you, and so that will allow you to make 30 cents for with just 2 clicks. Because if you normally do this, it will probably take you like 5 to 10 minutes to get 30 cents, and it will take you, and you will have to click way more than just 2 times. So definitely you want to stay tuned till the end of this video and not skip any part of this video. And as you may have noticed, I'm now running ads on this video as well, so you can watch it without being interrupted. So if you do appreciate that, just hit the like button. That's all I ask for, and I will keep those annoying ads away from my videos, and I'm literally saving you plenty of time because you don't have to watch those boring ads. Now, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm posting videos about making money online, and if you click the bell icon, I will notify you whenever I have a new fresh strategy to make money online, so that way you can be the first one to use it and be one step ahead of your competitors. Now, let's jump straight into my computer so I can show you how you can set up everything and make 30 cents or more with just 2 clicks. Okay guys, we are now inside of my computer, and the first website that you need to go to is called superpay.me. If you can't find it for whatever reason, there will be a link in the description down below, and just keep watching because I will not just tell you like go out there and do the work yourself, but I will actually give you free software that will do the work for you as I promised you. But for now, let's actually see what Superpay is all about. So this is their homepage, as you can see, superpay.me, and you have make money online with free paid service today. You know, they have fast payments. So this is something that I really like about this website. You can get paid within 24 hours, and they actually pay within the first like 8 hours, so but the limit is 24 hours, so they will pay you in the next 24 hours. They have a low cash out threshold, so you just need to reach $1, which is going to be super simple, and you will do that super fast, so you can basically withdraw your money within the next 24 hours. It's not like on other survey websites where you need maybe like a $10, $50 or $20 to cash out or something like that. Then you have the ability to work from home again. It's really cool because you don't have to go outside or anything like that. If you have a laptop, you can just lay in your bed and do the work, you know, drink some coffee, drink some tea, and do this. Then you have promo codes and cash contests. This is another really cool way to make even more money with this website. I will talk about that a little bit later. Then you have free paid service and offers. It's absolutely free to join here and to start making money. You will also get 20 cents once you join this. You will get this as a bonus, and they have a generous referral program as well, so you can get paid for referring your friends. Now, before I show you how it works, and before I show you how you can make literally over 30 cents with just 2 clicks, how you can set up everything for absolutely free, I just want to show you a little bit. I just want to go over a website a little bit more. So as you can see, they paid over $2.5 million to their members. And you can withdraw your money via PayPal. You can get Tango card, Amazon gift cards. You can get paid via Skrill and Bitcoin. So you can pick one of these. Well, and I guess most of you guys will go for PayPal, and this is what I would pick as well, because you know you can spend PayPal money on whatever you want to, and you can even withdraw that. As you can see, join free today, quick and easy registration. Complete your registration in less than 2 minutes. I will show you how to register in a couple of seconds. You know, you will receive 20 cents bonus when you join. That's a small bonus for you. Over 80% of payments are paid within 8 hours, as you can see, via PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. So they pay really fast. And there are also some other different ways you can make money, but we will not be focusing on that, don't worry. So you can just come over to this website, read more about it here, and I just want to show you that this is actually really legit website. As you can see, they have almost 5-star. Out of 700 reviews, they have almost 5-star reviews. 4.80 is the average, and you know that such surveys websites have like 1 or 2-star reviews because people are just not satisfied with the amount of money they're making. But as you can see, people here are really satisfied with this website, superpay.me. And now you will just come over to this website, you will click on this join free today, this green button right here. You will have to enter your email, your first name, last name, create a username, and basic stuff like that. It's absolutely free and it takes less than 2 minutes. You will know how to do that, and then you will be able to see something like this. This is the dashboard, as you can see. Welcome back, Dan. And let me just show you. So you have a lot of different paid service you can complete. You have daily paid service, your service, tap paid service, revenue survey wall. You have hundreds of different services you can complete every single day. You have offer walls and stuff like that. Let me just click on, for example, daily paid surveys, so you can see how it works. So as you can see, you can just complete a survey. Unlimited surveys available for 80 cents, 55 cents, 50 cents, 36 cents, and the list goes on. And basically I'm going to show you how you can avoid doing surveys on your own, because I know they can be really annoying and really boring to just go and answer those boring questions over and over again, and it takes a lot of time. So I'm gonna give you a free tool that will do all of the work for you. So what you need to do is just go over to google.com, and by the way, you will have to have a Google Chrome for this. So if you haven't already installed Google Chrome for this, if you're using some other browser, now go and install the Google Chrome and just search for Chrome Web Store, and then click on this first one right here, and that will take you over to the Chrome Web Store, as you can see. And you just want to search for autofill. So just this first one, and you want to add this first one to your Chrome. So this is extension, you need to add this. And when you do surveys, you will have to, if you ever done surveys, you will have to complete different forms, to enter your name, to enter some details, to click, to check, and stuff like that. And that just takes so much time. But what this tool will allow you, will do all of the work for you, because it will autofill everything for you. So you can see fill out forms in 0 clicks. You will just have to click one button on the extension and it will automatically do everything for you. Autofill text simple fields, text area fields, password fields, hidden fields, HTML inputs. You have auto check, checkboxes, and radio buttons, auto click buttons, and links. So everything that is related to survey will be done for you with this free Chrome extension. So as I said, you can just come over here, you will click this button right here to start a survey, and then you will just click the button on the Chrome extension that I showed you, the autofill Chrome extension, that will literally fill out that. Then you will then complete that survey, you will get paid maybe 80 cents, then you will go to the next survey, maybe do again for 80 cents, maybe this one 55 cents, and then just do that over and over again, and you have different surveys over here that you can complete every single day and earn as much money possible. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you did get some value out of it, and if you just enjoyed it or you got some value out of it, then feel free to leave a like down below, and feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or maybe you just want to chat. So definitely make sure to do that. And if you want to see how you can make $2,150 on autopilot with literally less clicks, and how you can set up everything, then feel free to watch this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you there.